Hello, my name is Abigail. So in today's video, I'm going to be focusing on creating a consistent character on Midjourney that I could put in different scenes or themes and still stay consistent throughout. It's a simple process to follow. All you need to understand is the formula to apply, because you can apply this formula into any image you're creating as long as you're trying to keep the same character in different scenes. That's it. So let's see what we can come up with. All right, so I'm going to start this very simple, and I'm going to start by putting in the prompt. So I'm going to start with / imagine beautiful lady, pink curly hair, wearing a dress. And I'll just keep it as simple as that and just see where that takes us. Alright, I'm gonna press enter and I'm gonna wait for Midjourney to generate an image. Midjourney has generated an image for us, so let's look. So what you have to do is just choose the character you like, and then you can proceed. If you don't like any of these characters, what you could do, you could just press this button and then Midjourney will generate new images using the same prompt you done. But in this case, I'm going to choose a character to work with, and I'm going to work with this character. I like her look. Or I'll work with her because I can see more of her face. I'm going to choose this one. So that's number 2. So what you need to do, I need to make this image a bigger image so I can focus on this image alone. So what I need to do, I need to upscale this image. The top line, the use, it means upscale. So if you want to make image 1 a large image that you can focus on, you just have to press upscale 1, upscale 2, whichever image you want to do. But in this case, I just want upscale number 2. And then something else, the V's at the bottom, they stand for variation. So if you want to make a variation of this or a variation of that or a variation of that, you just have to choose variation 1, 2, 3. It's kind of simple, and then you get the same character but in different variation that you can focus on. So just gonna wait for Midjourney to generate the image for us. There you go, our image on Midjourney is ready, and now we can proceed to the next step. Before you do anything, you need to react to this image. So the image that you've chosen, you need to react to it. So I'll react to it by pressing that button. So what that does, it lets Midjourney knows that I like this image and I would like to make more of this image. So that's first thing first. The next step, we need to get a seed number for this character here. So for us to get the seed number, so you just need to press this 3 dots here, and then you need to find the envelope if you can't see it there, or if you can see it, just press the envelope. And what happens, Midjourney will send you a message with the seed number. So you can go back on the Midjourney where the message is here. All you need is this is the seed number. It's very important, because for every image you're gonna generate from now on, you need that number. So I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna go back on the server where I'm editing the video. The reason why the seed number is important, because it's what's gonna keep your image consistent. If you generate from now on, if you generate any of these images without the seed number, you're gonna get a random number. But as long as you use the seed number, you're gonna keep on generating the same image. But if you change it, it's random. If you don't use it, you get a completely random image. So seed number important from now henceforth. So what we need to do, we need to start a new prompt. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna imagine, and then I'm gonna put in that seed number there. And then just before the seed number, I'm gonna put -- seed space. So the next thing I need to do, I need to get the link for this image. In order for me to get a link for this image, I just have to click on the image, and then where it says open in browser, just click on it, and then this image is gonna be opened in browser. And then what I need to do from here, I just need to copy the link, go back to where I was editing the image on Discord, and then I'm gonna paste it there just before the seed number. The next step, I need to add the prompt that we originally used, right? The beautiful lady, pink curly hair, wearing a dress. I need to put that prompt after the link, before the seed, and there you go. So basically all we've done here is once we got the upscale for the image that we want, we reacted to the image and we let Midjourney know that we like this character, and hopefully from now on it knows that. And then the next thing that we did, we got the seed number, which is this one here. And then the next thing is that we got the link for this image, like I just shown you, which is this one here. And then the third thing that we did, we got the initial prompt that we used to get this picture. And then once we've got all of that, what we need to do now, we just need to click on enter, and then Midjourney will generate the next images for us so that we can proceed. Go ahead and continue to the next step. All right, there we go. We've got the image ready now. As you can see, this character is consistent to this character here. You see, it's keeping the same consistency. That's what we want to see. All right, so I'm gonna go to the next step, which is getting this character into a different scene. So I'm gonna click imagine. If you follow what I'm trying to do, you'll see we're just doing the same thing over and over again, but we're just following a certain sort of formula. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to get the link for this image, which is that one, and that's what we're gonna put here. Next, we need to go back and get the prompt again, including the seed number, and paste it down here. So the next thing, we're just gonna add the different scenes and see how that works with our character. So we could start with something simple as walking in the park. What we've done, we've got the link, and then we've got the original prompt that we use to get this image again. The only thing that's there that was not there in the original image is the seed number, which is here. So the seed number is very important. And the only thing I've added right now is walking in the park. So the new prompt is beautiful lady, pink curly hair, wearing a dress, walking in the park. All right, so there you go. As you can see, the image is ready, and it's still staying consistent with the same character, but this time is in a different scene. It's a little bit blurry at the back, but if you compare this image where it had a pink background or pink gray background to this image, which is she's supposed to be walking in a park. So if you look here, you can see the trees, but the focus is on her. All right, so I'm gonna try and put her in a different situation and see what we come up with. Again, remember the formula. So we're gonna go back and get the link, which is here. Gonna copy that link, and then we're gonna go back on Discord thing where we generating the image, and then so slash imagine, and then we're gonna add the link there. And the next step, don't forget this, we need the link that we used to generate the image before, including the seed number there. And then this time what we need to do, we need to remove walking in the park, and then we're gonna put it with something, we're gonna add something else that we'd like to see her do it. So we could probably say sitting on a bench. And another thing I would like to do as well, I want to see a little bit more of her, so I'm gonna add full body shot and just see if we can see a bit more of her full body shot. So I just want to see what's gonna happen. All right then, so I'm gonna press enter and see the next image. So the new prompt is beautiful lady, pink curly hair, wearing a dress, sitting on a bench, full body shot, with a bit of a wrong spelling there, but I'm hoping Midjourney will be able to interpret that. All right, so the image is ready. I wanted to see a bit more of her. Midjourney didn't give us that. I don't know if it's because I misspelled full, I added an N at the end, so I don't know if that's the case, but I'm gonna try and correct that and see what we get. As you can see, the character, she's still the same character that we had from before, but then now she's sitting on what's supposed to be a bench, and she's not in the park anymore. So now I'm gonna try and get her in another different situation, and then I'm gonna get the link again. I'm gonna paste it there, and then don't forget we need to get this entire we need to get this prompt, including the seed number. Never forget the seed number, and then we're gonna paste it there. We're gonna do a few changes. All right, so I'm gonna correct the spelling mistake for full body shot and leave that bit as that. The only bit that I'm gonna change now is the one that she's sitting on a bench. So what I'm gonna do, sitting on a motorbike. So the new prompt is beautiful lady, pink curly hair, wearing a dress, sitting on a motorbike, full body show, and then includes the seed number. And remember, we've got the link as well. So I'm gonna press enter, and then we're gonna see if Midjourney is gonna generate the same character, but this time she should be sitting on a bike. All right, on to the next image. We still don't have that full body show, but then that's fine. As you can see, she's still the same character that we had from before. She's still staying consistent. We wanted her to sit on the bike, but she's not sitting on the bike, but you can see she's right next to the bike, which is something. The main thing is that we're still keeping her consistent and having her in different situations. All right, so right now let's do something a bit more fun. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and see if we make an animation theme out of this character, if it's still gonna stay consistent. one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do the same thing that we've been doing. So I'm gonna press imagine, and then we're gonna get the link, and then I'm gonna paste it there. And then don't forget, we always have to get this prompt including the seed number. Never forget the seed number. And then we're gonna have it down here. And then we're just going to have a few changes of what we want her to be doing. So what I'm going to change from here, I'm going to take off sitting on a motorbike, and then I'm gonna put cartoon style. I'm just gonna add the word cartoon style and just see how that what happens. So now the new prompt is beautiful lady, pink curly hair, wearing a dress, cartoon style, full body show. And then we've got the seed number there, and let's see what happens. All right, that's nice. I'm very impressed. So as you can see, our character still keeping that look, but this time it's in a cartoon form. She's still the same original character that we've been having, same character, but then this time we can have her in different version and still stay consistent to her look. So that's that. So let's try something else. So we could do the same thing, but this time, so we're gonna start with getting the link. So it's always the link, paste, and then you get this prompt including the seed number, and then we'll paste it there, and then we're going to do the changes that we don't want to see on the next image. So what we could do, since we're taking the cartoon style off, so we've said the lady wearing a dress, so I could add here green dress, and hopefully we'll have our original character again, but then this time she's going to be wearing a green dress, and she's not going to be in a cartoon version because we've changed that already as well. So let's just see. All right, there you go. So our image is ready. As you can see, she's still looking the same. She's got a green dress. She's got pink and green dress here, but she's got the green dress, which is what we want to see. We just want to see her in different situations, but still keeping her look. So now what we're going to do, we're going to try and just put her in a few different places so that you can just see it's just literally we're doing the same thing over and over again. Anyway, so let's just see. So we're going to say imagine. Don't forget the formula. So we just get in the link from the image that we initially liked that time. We're going to paste it there, and then we just need to get this prompt including the seed number. We're going to paste it there, and all we have to do is just to make the changes that we don't want. So here we can have her in a situation where she's sitting, let's say sitting on the hood of the car. Let's just see what happens. Alright, so our image is ready, and as you can see, our character, she's not sitting on the hood of the car, but she's sitting next to the car. I guess sometimes with Midjourney it's hard to get the character to do exactly what you want, but then we've got her next to a car. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna generate another image again and just see if I'm gonna get the same sort of outcome again. So we could do /imagine, then we could get the link again, copy, go back onto where we're editing the prompt, enter it, and then we're gonna get this prompt that we've been using including the seed number. We're going to paste it here, and then now we're going to just make a few changes that we'd like to see. So maybe we don't want us on the hood of the car anymore, so we could have blue dress dancing. So our new prompt is beautiful lady, pink curly hair, wearing a dress, blue dress, dancing, full body show. Let's just see what that comes up with. Alright, so there she goes. So she's still the same character. She's wearing a pink and blue dress, and she's in a situation where you can see her dress is flying, and her hair is flying, so I guess she's dancing. So that's something. So this time let's do something different. So we're gonna do imagine, and then we're gonna get the link. Never forget the link. So we've got the link. We're gonna add our link there. We're gonna do space, and then we're gonna copy the prompt including the seed number. And then now we're gonna do the changes that we don't want on this scene. We're gonna remove dancing. We can leave blue dress, but then this time I'm gonna add I don't know, Powerpuff Girls thing, and just see if that changes anything. Let's see. So that's the character in a Powerpuff Girl theme. I don't know how good that looks, but you can see how you can have the character in different situations looking so different but still keeping that same look. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and put our character in another situation. So imagine, paste, and then this time we're gonna take this prompt including the seed, we're gonna add it there, and then we just need to delete the stuff that we don't want. So we don't want the Powerpuff Girl theme, and we don't want the blue dress. So this time we can have her in a yellow dress, and we could have her playing piano. Alright, there is our character. She's ready. She's still keeping that look. She's still looking similar, but this time she's not playing a piano, but she's right next to a piano. She's wearing a yellow dress, in this pink that will not go away. She's got the yellow dress, so she's still consistent, keeping that look. So now we're gonna try something a bit more drastic. We're gonna try and have her in so imagine. All right, there we go. We've got our character in anime theme. As you can see, just works out the same. Change a few stuff and the character is still the same, but she's in different situations. As you can see, the dress, our new image is out, and you can see she's in a different dress. All right, there you go. So I'm gonna create a bit more just to show you the difference. So this is one. All right, the character is ready. She's not in a very colorful dress like I was expecting, but again, she's in a different outfit. But there you go. Beautiful lady, pink curly hair, wearing a dress, black dress, full body short. All right, there we go. We've got our character as well again, and this time she's in a beautiful lady, pink curly hair, wearing a dress, black and yellow dress, animation style. And we also have her here again in a different situation, which is beautiful lady, pink curly hair, wearing a dress, black dress, cartoon style, full body short. As you can see, very simple to do this. It's just a little formula that you have to follow, but if you follow it, you can create your own personalized image according to what you want. You can put this in different situations. It doesn't have to be a picture of a lady. You can put this in a picture of a car. You can do whatever. So basically the possibilities are endless. Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video helpful, and above all, I hope you learned something. Until next time, have yourself a beautiful day. Bye bye.